Hi everyone, my name is Rochelle and I'm part of the Garaga team. Today we're going to embark on the exciting journey of unboxing the ultra-durable Ulefone Armor 15. Designed for the most challenging environments, this device is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts, professionals who demand toughness from their gadgets, and anyone who values durability and performance. So let's take a look at what you will get when you buy a Ulefone Armor 15 from Garaga. Get a USB to Type-C charging block or USB to Type-C cable. Then you get your wonderful Ulefone Armor 15 device with its built-in TWS earbuds. Storage capacity is 128 gigabytes of ROM and 6 gigs of RAM. It's got a 13 megapixel rear camera and a 12 megapixel front camera. It's got a 5.45 inch HD display. Its other features include face unlock and fingerprint ID. It's got a battery of 6,600 milliamperes. It's powered by Android 12 and it also supports NFC and Google Play. So there you have it, the unboxing and exploration of the Ulefone Armor 15. Oh, and did I mention it's rugged?